Kashmir is so beautiful.
Yesterday we travelled from Amritsar to Baltal and we have crossed Srinagar on the way. Our plan is to reach Baltal by evening and leave for Amarnath Yatra next day 4 am.
So this is Pulwama, and this is where actually attack happened. After crossing Manigam, we have been stopped for security reasons. We will not be able to move ahead, which is 70 kilometers to reach to Baltal. We will have to stay here tonight, and maybe in the morning 5 o'clock we can leave.
We tried all possible ways to convince army and their superiors but nothing worked. Not only us, there were plenty of yatrikas who is going to Srinagar and also Baltal.
We got to know that at the base camp per head we need to pay 300 rupees, but there were some rooms as well where if you are taking for 150 rupees and all, which is not at all safe and untidy. So we are still exploring which one is a better option to stay for tonight. हर हर महादेव. So I suggest everyone please start as early as possible. Don't do like us because we have started at the closing time, which is at 10 o'clock.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderam 2.0.
We left from base camp from Manigam and then we are leaving for Baltal. 1.5 hours ago. This is 7:67. Bolo Amarnath ji ki jai! Bolo Amarnath ji ki jai!
Finally, we started to Baltal early in the morning from Manigam base camp. It is 70 kilometers and 2 to 3 hours of journey to Baltal base camp. On the way, you also cross Sonmarg, one of the best sightseeing places in Kashmir.
There were some security checks just before reaching to Baltal. We're supposed to take all the bags out and make sure like sort of airport security check-ins. But surprisingly today they did not ask. So it was just a normal check and head count. We have almost reached to Baltal base camp. We are now at Baltal base camp parking and all the luggage is out and we are trying to segregate because we will be carrying only day bags and the major checking bags we will leave it in the cloakrooms here. Hello guys, all set to go for Amarnath Yatra.
बोलो बाबा बर्फानी की
Jai! We kept finding for clock rooms. Surprisingly we didn't get. So when we went to army help desk, they were saying there is no cloak room and the safest place is taking one tent, keeping all your luggage and leave. So there is no cloak room. We have kept all our luggage inside this tent and which belongs to him, Ajaz Bhai, and we are going ahead. We are all set to leave for Amarnath Yatra and actually we are so late. It's already 9:30 and the Yatra gate will be closed by 10 o'clock. We should somehow cross the border. This is the auto where they can take. नहीं चलो चलो चलो. We have to get him. Go 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 go. We have another auto. Keep going, keep going. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Everybody left us.
Yeah,
They are very
everybody
selfish,
left
you know.
us.
They are very selfish.
So, but you don't know, God na only
God has
do
his
good,
own plan.
good for good people. And actually, we are the only two people in this auto, and they were like sitting on each other's laps and they went.
Yeah.
We are so lucky. But we should reach by 10 o'clock. If not,
We
we can
should do
stay
the
here
check-in.
again. Yay! The people who have gone first is still there, coming in that auto, and we are going
थैंक्स टू
ahead.
हमारे राकेश भाई.
Here is the gate for Amarnath Yatra, and you have to reach here by 10 o'clock. If not, you are not allowed. The gates will be closed. And I guess today we are the last people to cross the gate, and nobody we are seeing. And here is the security chickens. One has to scan their baggage before going in. These gates are not straight actually. This is like puzzle. You have to go here, 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 and that's the way for guys, and this is for girls. Har Har Mahadev!
जय बाबा बर्फानी.
How are you guys feeling?
Super. Wow. वाला अमरनाथ जी की जय.
We too are hiking for the first time, and that too especially to Shiv Ji ka mandir, Amarnath Yatra. You can also take the mule support in case if you want to go up. And कितना पड़ रहा है भैया आते जाते?
4400.
Look at our team. They're so enthusiastic people. This is River Sindhu. We are at 2919 meters altitude. Let's see how many meters we will gain today.
This is just cakewalk for us. We're having fun.
These guys have become like kids. They're running. So this is Sindhu River and many glaciers on the way. Basically, any type of cameras are not allowed in Amarnath Yatra. So you can carry your phones, you can take videos, but not any cameras. But somehow I've requested a person because I want to log this content. They said no, you have to switch off, but I started using. I've seen many army officers or CRPF officers on the way, and so far so good. Nobody have stopped us till now ki you should not shoot. So we are good to go, but again you should check all the protocols before taking any such content, and if it is allowed, you are good. If not, take same with the phone and then start editing. We are getting food here, and chai and orange as well. It's the free food we are all having. How is the taste? We have almost reached like a couple of kilometers, and the total distance in the Baltal to reach to Amarnath Baba is 14 to 16 kilometers. Someone says 14, some say 16, and we have covered almost a couple of kilometers, and so actually we are going to Amarnath Yatra by Baltal but not Pahalgaon. Pahalgaon is a little longer route, and most of the worshippers go through that, but we chose Baltal because we want to finish it fast. This is a very big glacier, and the river Sindhu is passing through it. You will also get to know the distance of the water facility every now and then.
These are Palki services, ideal for old people to do Shivji's darshan. There are multiple langars available for free food on the way.
You also have very frequently oxygen booth provided by Indian Army. So we have one more glacier here. The melt water is going as a river here, and the water will be extremely cold.
For Amarnath Yatra, you no need to carry food at all. You can buy fruits, snacks on the way or have free food at langars. The only major problem here is dust because of huge number of mules and horses commute.
हर हर महादेव बोलिए,
हर हर महादेव,
फिर से बोलिए.
हर हर महादेव.
One of the friend from our group has finally opted for mule because she's getting breath issues and she also want to have fun. How is the Josh?
No, sir.
Why sir?
That's why I took this go.
ईश्वर सब दे देगा. There is so much of dust here because of mules. Look at this. You don't believe. He just wiped his face.
And I have burning face also.
Only Mahindra vehicles can do all these stunts. Whoever do Amarnath Yatra, they usually start at 4 o'clock in the morning because mules, right? From 10 o'clock mules will start and the dust particles will keep hitting and you feel exhausted though you are doing nothing much in a day. So I suggest everyone please start as early as possible. Don't do like us because we have started at the closing time which is at 10 o'clock and we don't know whether we have to reach for darshan and come down. From here, Holy Cave is just 3.25 kilometers.
Yatrikas get tired and couldn't even see the road sometimes because of mules rush and the huge dust.
So from here, Amarnath Cave is 5.75 kilometers. So we have covered 14 minus 5, 9 kilometers till now from 10 o'clock and the time is 2:30. So we'll reach in another 1 hour. Yeah, by 4 o'clock if we can do the darshan and we can go down Aramse because the descending will be much faster and I don't think mules will be there on the way. Hopefully. This is extreme mud. You can see my watch. After last stop and entire trails are basically very flat and it is not at all tough. And then the cold breeze is hitting and we can actually have fun and start moving a faster way instead of going or slowing down every now. The first glance of snow-capped mountains where langar and everything is available. We want to stay there. Let's see.
कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम?
हर हर महादेव को मिलने के लिए हम जा रहे हैं। हर हर महादेव. We are struggling and going up. Look at this guy. He ordered chai for himself. He started having also. And by the way, they are mountain chows. We are having hot tea from the place where langars are available. After a long time, we got our first water source, a free water source, and Chewy is filling it up. What the camps you're seeing there is Panchkarni for the people from Pahalgam route, and we are still finding what is what.
After seeing this hoarding which says 6.5 kilometers more and it's already 5 pm, we have decided to stay back and go for darshan in the morning. There is no way we can do darshan and go down 16 kilometers tonight. Stay tuned to know how we have survived overnight on midway to Amarnath Holy Cave. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.